Ever wondered why we sneeze? It's not just a random thing. It's actually our body's way of protecting us. When something like dust, pollen, or even a cold virus irritates our nose, our body tries to get rid of it. Our brain sends a signal to the muscles in our chest and face, making us take a deep breath and then achoo. We sneeze to force out the irritant. Did you know a single sneeze can send over 100,000 tiny droplets flying through the air? That's why we cover our nose and mouth, to keep those germs from spreading. So next time you sneeze, remember, it's just your body doing its job to keep you healthy.